Hey Coco, do you know what today is? Ipsy Day! Y'all, this is actually last month's Ipsy, and I felt like it's okay to do this video late because y'all would want to see it because it's Ipsy, and if you had an Ipsy and you wanted to know what you were getting, you could just go and look on the website and see, and I feel like most of you that watch our Ipsy, it's because you actually enjoy us. So we're doing this late, and our new Ipsy hopefully will come in soon. How clueless is this bag? It is so clueless. Girl, you take all the bags. Sheesh. First thing, I'll give you the bag, okay? First thing I pull out is this from Mud Masky, and it is a Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay.
Pink clay?
Pink clay? pH balance, glowing, exfoliating, pore refining, renewing, and softening. It's just a mask. I feel like we get stuff from this brand kind of regularly. Is the brand any good? I don't really know if I love it. I feel like it's just a brand that we get. It feels a little grainy. Is it supposed to? It doesn't really have a smell.
Yeah.
Smell my hand? That's something you never want to do when your dad says, hey, smell my hand. You don't do that, okay? Ew. Or your brother. If you grew up with a dad or a brother like mine. So this is a nice thing that we got from Saturday Skin. It's just a moisturizer. It is a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And you just put the moisture in your hand and rub it in. I know that I like this because I want to say I've gotten it before. I've gotten it. And I remember using the whole thing too, so I'm not mad at it. But it is a repeat. It is a repeat. It's a repeat from a very, very long time ago though.
Love you.
Love you too. Like from 3 years ago, repeat. 4 years, like 3 years ago, it's a repeat from like 3 years ago. And I remember telling my friend Natalie, like, oh yeah, sign up, and then you get like, you can use my code, and I'll get some points, and then you can add in this free moisturizer, and it's really great. And this was the I remember it was literally like, I've known her for over 3 years, so it's been like 3 years. Shout out to Natalie, who does not do YouTube anymore, but she is a TikTok star. MOTD, and this is a duo blush. Did we get this already? Why am I getting Coco? I'll ask Coco because Coco would know because I think she's the one who has it actually. This is in the shade Pink Lace. Coco, do you have this? Do you have this? Let me see. Show me where yours is. I know she has this because I know I gave it to her. Okay, so it's not the same. It's a different shade. This is the one we got today. This is the shade we got in the past. Dude, there's a reason I gave this to Coco. I really didn't.
For you.
Like it. Here you go. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in a giveaway because I'm not gonna use it. I'm just not. We got this from Pear Nova and it's a lunar lip balm. I don't get mad at lip balms. It's like, yeah, I would rather have something other than a lip balm, right? Who wouldn't? But at the same time, okay, I'm gonna use it. Do I want it? Would I say like, yeah, give me that lip balm over some amazing other thing? No, I wouldn't. It's got a thing in there. It's got a shade. And actually, we just bought lip balms because we buy the fresh lip balms. So we got the one that's like $28 and it's like the lip treatment with the SPF. And then we got, remember the papaya shade that you picked out in Sephora?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the papaya shade. So we have a bunch of them, so we don't really need this, but what's it say? How moisturizing? Who the hell's reading this writing? Even with my new glasses, y'all, I got new glasses coming in with a better prescription because I am going blind. Honestly, it makes me a little nervous that as the years go by, my eyes are getting so much worse that where am I going to be at in 10 years? Am I going to have to get glasses every time I want to get out of bed just to see? Because if it keeps on going at this rate, at some point, I will not be able to walk around without glasses on. You know what I'm saying? So that's making me a little nervous. But anyway, there's no way I could read that. Let's just swatch this. Oh, it feels pretty nice actually. I can kind of see a color, and if I was lighter, I would be able to see a color. I don't know, it's kind of like a little brownish tint. Oh, you have lipstick on. We'll put this in the bathroom. And then we'll just use it when we need to. I don't know. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this on over, what did we get? Okay, we got this in the Boxy Luxe. If you didn't see the video, go check the video out because it'll be out before this one. But we got this Lip and Cheek palette and I use this on my lips. Let's see, because it's a little drying, I'm not gonna lie. After having it on for a while, it's actually it feels really nice. Okay, last thing. You want the bag, Coco?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for using your manners. Then we have this from Byoma. 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 Byoma.
Byoma.
Byoma.
No, Byoma.
I don't know. Byoma.
Byoma.
Yeah, Byoma.
Byoma.
It's a clarifying serum, tricinamide complex, blue tansy. I have never heard of blue tansy in my life. Are we just making shit up here? And PHA plus zinc. What the hell's PHA? PHA?
Yeah.
BHA, AHA, PHA, SHA. Come on. This is a boosted barrier better skin. Boosted barrier better skin. Boosted barrier better skin. Can't read what that, I don't even think that's English.
Yeah,
Balance and clarifying. Okay, it targets, hold on, I can't read that. It says, it targets imperfections and help unclogs pores without irritating or disrupting the skin barrier for a calmer, cleaner complexion. Let's smell it. I wish we got skincare from like brands that I actually heard of. Like, you know, like trusted brands, because I'm not really trusting BoxyCharm or Ipsy to like have my best interests at heart. I'm just gonna be honest here. And then it's like, why are you getting their subscription? Why wouldn't I? Because sometimes you get good stuff like this. At what point do you use this in your skincare routine? Oh, it has a smell. And I don't want my face to smell like that. Byoma. That's her reaction to. I don't like scented things, like rose scented things, but I would rather rose scented than this, okay? That's not good. That's not good. But maybe it works because things that don't smell good tend to work. Oh, apply, damn it. There's directions on there. Hold on. It says apply 4 to 6 drops to cleansed skin. Gently press until fully absorbed. Follow with moisturizer. So that's what you do. Is this a nighttime thing? Daytime thing? I don't know. That's what we got. That's the stuff that we got, okay? Anyway, let's end this because everyone's home and someone brought Coco some McDonald's. So if you haven't already, don't forget to...
Burger King?
No. Like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, all those good things.
You're really serious?
Yes, I am really serious, are you?
Are we gonna be here the whole time?
No.
We can be here forever. No! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. I'm joking.
I'm joshing ya.
Goodbye. It's over.
Oh no, this is a new
Bye.
video. We're starting a new video.
It's goodbye.
No, don't touch the lens.
Bye.
Okay, ready? Here you
Yeah.
compose, go like this. You ready?
Yeah. Don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anybody what.
But you are funny.
That I'm funny?
Yeah. And Mama, at that time, Dad will be in there.
Yes, that will be in there at nighttime.
Well, she thought that he didn't brush her teeth in there.
I don't want her brushing her teeth in my bathroom, guys, because you guys make such a mess, dude. And Daddy got mad because you guys lost his toothbrush.
Well, she don't want your toothpaste.
I don't want her in my bathroom.
He don't want your toothpaste with his sunny day.
I understand that on a sunny day, she wants it. But on any day, I don't want y'all in my bathroom. You have your own bathroom and you've destroyed it. It's pretty disgusting.
I will clean it.
Thank you.
Today.
You're gonna clean it today? Thank you.
You will. Somebody mess it up in that time.
Yeah, for sure messed it up because she
So
always...
I just cleaned it today. Well, yeah, I messed it up. So I said, I just cleaned that bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So I told her, why did you do that? Like,
Yeah.
clean it. That's super good.
Good. Y'all, I got these lashes from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I was forced to use them today because I couldn't find any of my other lashes, and they are the wispy full dramatic, and I actually had to cut them down because like it literally went like and touched my eyebrow. Like if I did this, it's touching my eyebrow. It looked absolutely ridiculous, but they were $1. They were only $1. So I mean, I trimmed them down. They look okay. I mean, but she told me I looked like dum-dum.
Dum-dum? Who had dum-dum?
You said I look like a dum-dum with the big eyelashes. At least you're honest, girl. I appreciate that. I appreciate it, girl. I appreciate it.